Fáilte Rovacardia, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Ceapadóireacht áirteiste, Oideachas, Meon Aigne Lochtach. Sa bhí seán seo, fálam Aigne, frásí mad le Meon Aigne Lochtach in Oideachas na hÉireann. Chorus na man scoileachta, the secondary school system. É gochram, unfair. I láthair na húra, at the present time. Díreatha go chomláin I dro, completely directed towards. Teagasc acadúil, academic tuition. Anumar cabéma too much emphasis upon. I gcuiteanna, in general. Is léir don dail, it is clear to the blind. Ní nach gona, unsurprisingly. Fáca ó lár an énig, left out or isolated. An dúshlán atá going, the challenge which we have. Brú milteach, terrible pressure. Éirnig an lé anubh. Irish people of today. Ilunt triú levéil, third level training. Is ochlam rá, it pains me to say. Meon or Sochi, viewpoint of our society. Gafa le, addicted to. Príomh ifig stadribh, the Central Statistics Office. I gumparad le, in comparison with. Man, an average. Crohíonn an Aigne seo, this evidence proves. Tosíocht, a priority. Corrigás, for example. Déantar trácht le a notable mention is made of. Sna man cumarsáide. In the media. Ufás is brú. Terror and pressure. Ace oige na tíre, youth of the country. On scrúdú mór le rá seo, this famous exam. Cohitar Meon Aigne Lochtach, a flawed mindset is maintained. Den sco of the highest order. Came, a degree. Marvach no hep, as a flaw or failure. Fios, improvement. O have cursi Oideachas de, from the point of view of educational matters. Isrod fiúntach it is a worthwhile thing. Bheocht dullamú oring, we would be wrong. Sula ivad, before long. Is far orc goán roit na rá orc I díag. Foresight is better than hindsight. Meon nís darfí a chahu, to maintain a more positive mindset. Bheoch sé the Harvard doing, it would be an advantage to us. Nos na háirteis to find me, like the Leaving Cert applied. A Corcon keen, to promote. A Vulla ó hard na spera, to promote highly. Ba cheart doing, we should. Gormacha cosúil le, professions such as. Céirdeanna nos, trades such as. Sa bhí seán seo, dfálam me frásí mad le Meon Aigne Lochtach in Oideachas na hÉireann. Sná libh.